Welcome. I'm Lakshmi Priya representing from Sunrise Financial Services. Today, let us know about trading account. So, what is trading account? Trading account is account that is prepared by entities to know the gross profit earned or gross loss suffered from trading activities. So here we'll be seeing about definition of trading account, features of trading account, purpose of trading account items and illustration. Definition of trading account. The account which is prepared to determine the gross profit or gross loss of a business concern is called trading account. The main objective of preparing trading account is to determine the gross profit or gross loss of a business for a particular period of time, that is for a financial year. Features of trading account. It is the first stage of final accounts of a trading account concern. It is prepared on the last day of an accounting period. What is accounting period? April 1st to March 31st is one accounting period, and April 1st is opening account period and March 31st is closing of accounting period. It records only net sales and direct cost of goods sold. Only direct revenue and direct expenses are considered in it. Direct expenses are recorded on its debit side and direct revenue on its credit side. The balance of this account discloses the gross profit or gross loss. The balance of trading account is transferred to profit and loss account. Purpose of trading account. The main purpose of trading account is gross profit of a business is very important data, since all business expenses are met out of it. So the amount of gross profit should be adequate to meet the indirect expenses of a business concern. The amount of net sales can be determined through this account, and this is the first and foremost purpose of preparing trading account. And the second one is to determine the net sales. So if you see, the account of net sales can be determined through this account, that is trading account. Gross sales can be ascertained from sales account in the ledger, but net sales cannot be so obtained. The true sale of a business is net sales, not gross sales. So we prepare trading account. By preparing trading account, we'll come to know what is the net sales of the business, and to know gross profit on net sales gross profit ratio, that is percentage of gross profit and gross profit ratio. We will also know stock turnover ratio or inventory by preparing this trading account. So this is the pro forma of trading account in the books of Mrs. ABC trading account for the year ended 31st March 2017, and here 31st March is accounting year, that is ending of a financial year. On the debit side, particulars, amount, and credit side, particulars, amount. Items in trading account. Items shown on debit side of trading account. Opening stock. Opening stock refers to the closing stock of the previous year, which has been entered in the opening stock account through an opening entry. Therefore, it will be found in the trial balance. This item is usually put as the first item on the debit side of the trading account. Of course, in the first year of a business, there will be no opening stock. In case of a trader, the opening stock consists of different types of finished goods. For the manufacturing concern, the opening stock consists of raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. And the second one is purchases and purchases return. The purchases account will show a debit balance showing the gross amount of purchases made of the materials. This refers to the goods purchased, both cash and credit purchases for resale. Remember, the purchases of assets which are meant for permanent use in business, such as machinery, furniture, etc., are not included in the purchases. Purchases return account will show a credit balance showing the return of materials to the suppliers. Carriage or freight inwards. Carriage or freight or cartage inwards, it is the cost of bringing materials to the firm's godown and making them available for use. If the freight or carriage is paid on any asset like machinery, it is added to the cost of asset and not debited to the trading account. Next, manufacturing wages. Wages paid to workers in the factory include stores or debited to the trading account. If any amount is outstanding, it must be brought into the books so that the full wages for the period are charged to the trading account. Next one, power and fuel. The cost of coal used in the boiler or electricity consumed in running the machines is included under this head of accounts. Expenses incurred including not paid, that is outstanding expenses, are debited to the trading account. There are also many items like factory lighting, factory rent and rates, duty on purchases, royalty or payments, consumable stores, etc. These are also some of the items that reflects under debit side of trading account. Items shown on the credit side of trading account. The first one is sales and sales returns. Sales and sales returns. The sales account always has a credit balance indicating the total sales made during the year. The sales return account has always a debit balance showing the total of the amount of goods returned by customers. To net of the two account is called net sales and is entered on the credit side of the trading account. And last one is closing stock. Closing stock refers to the stock of unsold goods at the end of the current accounting period. Usually, there is no account to show the value of goods laying in the godown at the end of the year. However, currently ascertain the gross profit, the closing stock must be taken and valued. As a result, note, in this case, the closing stock appears outside the trial balance. According to convention of conservatism concept, stock is valued at its cost or its market price, that is net realizable value, whichever is lower. So let's see the small illustration of trading account. From the following information, prepare a trading account of Mrs. ABC Traders for the year ended 31st March 2017. And once again, 31st March 2017 is financial ending of financial year. Opening stock of rupees 1 lakh, purchases 6,72,000, carriage inwards 30,000, wages 50,000, sales 11 lakhs, return inwards, which means sales returns of rupees 1 lakh, return outwards, which means purchases returns of 72,000, closing stock of 2 lakhs. Let's see the solution for this illustration. In the books of Mrs. ABC Traders, trading account for the year ended 31st March 2017, the heading should be mandatorily mentioned while preparing trading account. On debit side, the first item is opening stock. 2 opening stock, and the opening stock rupees is 1 lakh, and such should be mentioned under debit side of trading account. 2 purchases 6,72,000. Remember, there is also return outwards, which means purchases returns of rupees 72,000. Such should be deducted from purchases. 2 carriage inwards of rupees 30,000. And finally, wages of rupees 50,000. And these are the items that covers on the debit side. And on the credit side, by sales is 11,000. Remember, there is also a sales returns, that is 1 lakh, which is also called as return inwards. Such return inwards should be deducted from sales, and this is called net sales, and this is the main objective of preparing trading account, to know net sales and as well as net purchases. And final item is closing stock of rupees 2 lakhs, and after posting all the transactions, and the final balance is 12 lakhs, and still there is a deficit of 4 lakhs 20,000 in debit side, which means there is a gross profit in this business. In the Mrs. ABC Traders, there is a gross profit of 4 lakhs 20,000, and such gross profit should be carried forward, that is brought forward to profit and loss account of credit side. Hope you all have understood what is trading account. Thank you.